Hi there, this is Temple Thomas, and I wanted to make a quick video about my new pancake hood. So I've been in welding school for about a year now, and been in a booth a good portion of the time. I've used a Viking 3350. This fall, I'm actually taking pipe welding, and I'm outside, and I went ahead and grabbed a pipeliner, fiber metal style hood. Enjoy it, really do. One of the things I noticed, though, I felt like when I was going downward, especially on 5G and 6G positions, at times with the position on my head, I felt like the hood was about to come off. So I've seen a lot of pancakes out there, primarily used by pipeliners initially. I've seen them especially talked about by the likes of Austin Ross and Jake Schofield. So I wanted to give it a try, and I've had two things that have really been a problem for me. Number one, especially with COVID, everybody wearing masks, I'm fogging up all the time. Fogging inside my hood, fogging in my iPro, everywhere I go. I see nothing but just this glowing ball of fog, so it's hard to see what I'm doing. Secondly, this semester I'm outside, so I'm dealing with a lot of backlight from sunlight, and I get a lot of reflection back in through my hood. Half the time I'm staring at myself, and I can't see what I'm doing. So a pancake combines some really cool features to help combat some of those things. For those that don't know, this is a pancake hood. This is a Wendy's. There's 2 or 3 brands out there, the original pancake, Sarge, Wendy's that make them. And the thing about these is they basically go like a pair of goggles. If they look funny on the inside on this one, there's a cheater lens. I have a slight magnification because I have to wear glasses, and I choose not to wear glasses in here. But the beauty of it is this hits your forehead, and then down here is where your nose bridge is. So number one, my nose is outside. There is no hot air coming in here, so there's nothing to fog this up. The entire time I'm welding, it's perfectly clear. The second thing is, since it fits against your head, it's essentially like wearing a pair of ski goggles, and it blocks out everything else. So I have no extraneous light coming in. I have no fog condensation coming in. So honestly, my work has improved tremendously just from going to this. Now, there's no hood that works in every situation. Optrel is apparently a really good hood for a lot of people for TIG welding. The downside to this one is when you have it on, you can't pop it back down real easily. You do have to manually manipulate it to put it up on your forehead. Once you get used to it, it's not too bad. Other thing is, they're not terribly expensive. This hood is about $90, and then you can get just a really cheap fixed shade lens, or I went with TrueArc, and I'll give a shout out to these guys. I am not sponsored at all. I paid for all my stuff, but this is TrueArc, and they make a really nice auto darkening single shade lens that's really affordable. If you go with the Lincoln, the 4C technology, that lens will run you about $110. You can pick up a TrueArc for about 50 bucks. Extremely clear. I believe it's a level 4 in its neutral state, and the arc clarity is amazing. I picked a shade 10. I have one both in the pancake and my pipeliner. So if anybody out there is considering getting a pancake, to me, it's absolutely a great investment, and it may well change how well you weld. I'll put a couple links in the description below just to Jake Schofield and some other videos out there that may help you as far as how to fit one. Jake's video goes into great detail on how to actually fit a hood to your face properly, and it's really worth the time and effort to watch that. So anyway, take care, and thanks for watching.